Hey, what's going on? It's James Canzanelli, your affiliate hero, and in today's video, what we're going to be going over is something that you need to do, especially when you're getting started with affiliate marketing. Now, even if you had some experience in affiliate marketing, even if you're just brand new or you're a complete expert, there's going to be something you're going to want to do before you get into like a specific niche, so to speak. I'm going to be talking about that today, but in case you are new, hello, I'm James Canzanelli, full-time affiliate marketer. And if you're new to this channel, you can feel free to subscribe, as I will be doing many more affiliate marketing / internet marketing videos in the future. Very similar to this, whether it's the talking face in front of the, I was about to say keyboard, in front of the laptop, whatever it's going to be to get the information across. So one thing you really need to do, especially when it comes to beginners, if you're brand new or kind of getting into the spot of starting affiliate marketing, let's get right into it. You want to focus on specifically niches and offers. Okay, now I know that's kind of by itself is like, okay, well, yeah, I kind of already knew that. However, this is a very big mistake I see people making, is because this kind of came up to me. Someone was asking on a social media platform, what do you think is more important when it comes to affiliate marketing? This is how I kind of got into this. One is going to be perseverance, or two, the offer that you promote. And I'm like, goodness. First of all, I don't like questions like that because it's never going to be like one of those and or. When it comes to being successful, not with just affiliate marketing and anything else, you need to look for how can it not be and or, but how can I make it both, okay? The reason why a question like that is so difficult, because both of them are extremely important. Let's say you just had perseverance, okay? Like you just keep going, you fall flat on your face, you fail, people kick you in the ass, I don't know, whatever happens, you lose some money, and then you just quit. That's pretty much what happens if you don't have perseverance. You got to be able to persevere through the tough times. Then on the other hand, you have a great offer, okay? And you have this amazing offer, but you don't know how to promote it, okay? And you still don't persevere. So kind of like one without the other is going to be really troublesome. So the reason why I'm bringing this up, because the 1/2 things you need to do is when you start in a niche, you need to make sure the niche is worth going into and there are profitable offers to promote. So what you can actually do is kind of reverse the process. Instead of looking for a niche, look for high converting offers that are going to obviously direct you to the niche. So for example, if you were looking to do art, I bring this up because my girlfriend was looking to kind of like do funnel stuff, maybe with art. I was looking on ClickBank, I was looking on all these other places. Are people promoting art stuff? Of course, like people actually sell art, there's Etsy, but from like an information marketer perspective, there's not a whole lot of offers to promote. Like looking on ClickBank and there's like 2 or 3 of them, might be a little more, a little less. The gravities are extremely low. The price per sale is extremely low. So if you're actually expecting to make a full-time income, which it's not like you can't, it's just gonna be more difficult when there's so few offers to promote, and they might not even be that high converting, okay? So this is something you really wanna look into. People talk about competition all the time, and competition can be a very good thing because if there's a ton of offers, you know that there's going to be people who are looking to solve those problems. That's why I always talk about the 3: health, wealth, and relationships. And there's so many like micro niches that just branch off from there. So for example, when you have health, you can get into like fitness or weight loss or muscle building. You can really niche it down, like muscle building for tall dudes like me, or losing weight for pregnant women, and like just dive down deeper into the niches. But that's something you're going to really need to look for. So for example, when you're on ClickBank, if you scroll through, you can actually look through like the average amount that it's going to pay you out per sale, which is good. Okay, you don't want to put a ton of effort into like, say you're building up a website, or maybe you're going to build up authority, or maybe it's going to be a YouTube channel. You're going to be promoting offers that make you like $10 per sale, okay? It's just not going to be worth your time. I mean, how many sales do you literally need to make in order to be happy with that, to be able to cover yourself, maybe your rent, your payments, or make money, whatever it's going to be? It's not going to be that beneficial. That's why the one thing I talked about recently that really changed my affiliate marketing was being able to promote recurring offers, mid-ticket offers, and high-ticket offers. If the niche you're going in has those, and there's a lot of them, and they convert because they're all over the place, that is a really good sign. That's an awesome sign. That's something you want to look for, and that's pretty much what I'm getting back into. That's the one thing you're going to need to do when you first get started with affiliate marketing. Like I said, even if you're a veteran, sometimes maybe you want to build a niche site in like a different niche, and that's what you're going to want to be looking for, okay? Now, when it comes to websites, competition can be a real thing. Like if you want to go for like lose weight or weight loss, good luck. It's funny because there's actually like keyword tracking tools or keyword difficulty tools where you type in something like that and it's like, don't even bother, don't do it. It's like, go back, you're going the wrong way, literally. If only there were more apps like that when it came to making decisions, right? But that's pretty much kind of wrapping it up. Look for offers that are going to be not only high converting, but they're going to be able to pay you out and make your effort worth it in the long run, okay? Offers, do they have recurring? Do they have mid-ticket? Do they have high-ticket? Do they have webinars that you can send traffic to? Usually if you can do that, it's going to have like a mid or a high ticket offer on the back end, okay? Because that's what webinars are for, because they don't really sell that great when you just send someone to a sales letter. It's really long and the price is like $2,000. It doesn't work that well. That's why people don't do it that way. But look for those offers. They're all over the place. You can search for them. You can go to different CPA networks. You can go to OfferVault. You can search Google. A lot of times when I'm looking for offers to promote to kind of add to the income that I build up, just search for it and they'll have like this ultimate list of best affiliate offers to promote that have recurring commissions or high ticket commissions, mid ticket commissions. But look for that specifically, because if you know that there's offers to be promoted, then you know at least there's money to be made. The last thing you want to do is go into a niche and be like, well, where's the offers? Like no one cares about it, okay? So that would be a very good thing to do. So I hope you got a lot out of this. That's pretty much it. Make sure you look for specific offers. Even if you don't know they're high converting, you can look around, look for popularity, look for volume, look for trending, okay? For example, I'll give you one right now that's amazing, is Shopify. If you went to Google Trends, the graph is just like non-stop. It's increasing in popularity. The cool thing about it, it's pretty simple to get commissions for that. They pay 200%, and all you need to do is send someone to it and have them get a free trial. You just pretty much need to have them give their email. Then if they upgrade, obviously put in their credit card, then you can get paid for it. So you're just like recommending the platform, and there's so much talk around it. It's popular, people know about it. It's very simple to make commissions. That's just an example of a really good offer when it comes to a much larger niche of e-commerce, affiliate marketing, whatever you want to talk about. All right, that's about it. I'm James Canzanella. Thank you for watching. If you would like to, feel free to subscribe. You can get some more videos like this. I'll put a cheat sheet down below. If you'd like some great offers, like I always talk about, if you're looking for offers, there you go. Check that out in the link down below. What the hell was I just trying to say? Check that out in the link down below, and that should be it. I'm James Canzanella. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.